Okay, good. Now it's looking a lot neater. So let me get the screen pointer of laser pointer and let's get started. All right. Now I'm going to switch off the slides for the time being, and I'll divert my attention to Mr. Saurabh Sanda. Mr. Sanda, what about you? Did you have your lunch?
Yeah.
I hope not too much of it.
Yeah, not too much.
Not too much. All right, pretty good. So here's the question. Yeah. There is a concept, there's a term which is called project, the term's called plans. So a project would have multiple plans like risk management plan, and then you have communications management plan, you have configuration management plan, cost management plan. So you have, quite a few plans. And then you have some documents. Those are called project documents. So there is one thing which is known as project plans, and there is another thing which is called project documents. Yeah. Mr. Sanda, can you tell me the difference between the two?
Project plans cannot be altered throughout the project. That needs, in case we are doing any changes, that needs to be approved from the authority. Right. However, the project documents we are keep on updating depending upon the progress of the project.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That is something that we have to keep on doing, right? Yeah. So we have to keep on making sure that the project documents, we have to keep on updating them. There is no requirement for any kind of an approval to keep on updating the documents, because that is the whole purpose of project documents. But when it comes to project plans, they need to be approved, right? They have to go through the change request process before you can actually make changes. So very well done, sir. I could not add anything more to it. So that's perfect. So does anybody have a question regarding project plans and project documents? It's something that we guys are supposed to know. All right, so Mr. Vichitra, I have a question for you. Project charter, is that a plan or is that a document?
It's a document.
No, sir, it's a plan. If you change, just because it's called a project charter, does not have the name plan attached to it, you can't change it. If you change a project charter, it is like creating an absolutely brand new project.
Yeah, very true. Yeah.
You get my point? So that is the reason why you got to be very clear, right? Every plan does not have a plan name attached to it. Sometimes it's not, right? But if I ask Mr. Rajendra Singh, sir, what do you think about risk register? Is that a project document or a project plan?
Risk register would be a part of the project plan. We do have
it's a project document. It's a project document.
Because we have to keep on updating it. And you don't need any kind of approval from anybody whatsoever, and you have to keep on updating it, right? Now, what about Mr. Jitesh Joshi, project schedule? What is that? A plan or a document?
Sorry, Maneesh,
Not a problem. I'll repeat. Project schedule. Is that a plan or a document?
It's a plan.
Is a plan, because you can't change a schedule without, seeking approval. So that is the basic, right? Good, very nice. So